Right now, we do have some breaking news. We're going to a school bus crash because a school bus has got slammed and got collided by a truck. After a truck slams into the bus, and the students got injured and got sent to the hospital after this non-life injury. We do want to warn you, some of this video is graphic. Take a look at slow motion. Look as the truck slams at this bus. And all of the students got injured. The driver in the bus was passing a stop sign, and the truck driver that hit the bus had a suspended license.